Life in Haiti was hard before the earthquake, and the earthquake has just magnified all of the difficulties. You have 1.5 million people living in tents. There is nothing normal about the way that they're living.
We have never been far from death in this country from the very day that we landed.
When I was a kid, I go in cine to see the movie. Now it's crashed. My idea right now, I want to build movie there in Haiti again.